हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। सो आज की वीडियो में हम लास्ट 6 मंथ्स के करंट अफेयर्स के टॉप 60 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे। ये करंट अफेयर आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाले हैं। सो वीडियो को बिना स्किप किए लास्ट तक बने रहें एंड एट लास्ट कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको हमारी वीडियो कैसी लगी। सो बढ़ते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ। Which has become the first Indian city to install portable solar panels between railway tracks? And the correct answer is Varanasi. Second question, which country has officially declared rubella free by the World Health Organization in August 2025? And the correct answer is Nepal. Third question, which team won the ICC World Test Championship in 2025? And the correct answer is South Africa. Fourth question, India's first tempered glass plant has been inaugurated in which of the following cities? And the correct answer is Noida. Fifth question, what is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index released in October 2025? And the correct answer is 85th. Sixth question, whose tenure has been extended till 2026 as the Chief of Defence Staff CDS in September 2025? And the correct answer is General Anil Chauhan. Seventh question, who topped the medal tally of the Khelo India Beach Games 2025? And the correct answer is Manipur. Eighth question, which country will become the 21st member of the Eurozone from January 1st, 2026? And the correct answer is Bulgaria. Ninth question, who has been appointed as the chairperson of Indian Weightlifting Federation Athletes Commission? And the correct answer is Mirabai Chanu. 10th question, who is the Chief Economic Advisor of India whose term has been extended till March 2027? And the correct answer is V. Anant Nageshwaran. 11th question, who has received the Best Feature Film Award at the 71st National Film Awards 2025? And the correct answer is 12th fail. 12th question, which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? And the correct answer is Sri Lanka. 13th question, which protected area of Odisha has been declared the 107th National Park of India? And the correct answer is Simlipal National Park. 14th question, who has won the Best Actor Award at the International Indian Film Academy IIFA Awards 2025? And the correct answer is Kartik Aaryan. 15th question. India's largest international cruise terminal has been launched in which city? And the correct answer is Mumbai. 16th question. The nomadic elephant joint military exercise was conducted between India and which country? And the correct answer is Mongolia. 17th question. Who has been elected as the president of the International Big Cat Alliance IBCA? And the correct answer is Bhupendra Yadav. 18th question. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? And the correct answer is Harvansh Chawla. 19th question. Which team won the 2025 Women's Premier League? And the correct answer is Mumbai Indians. 20th question. Whose autobiography is The One, Cricket My Life and More? And the correct answer is Shikhar Dhawan. 21st question. Which country has topped the medal tally of the 9th Asian Winter Games 2025? And the correct answer is China. 22nd question. Which city will host the 5th Asian Youth Para Games in 2025? And the correct answer is Dubai, UAE. 23rd question. Who has been awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award 2025 by the United Kingdom government? And the correct answer is Chiranjeevi. 24th question. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Index 2025? And the correct answer is 118th. 25th question. Who won the 13th edition of the ICC Women's World Cup 2025? इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है कि आईसीसी वुमेन्स वर्ल्ड कप 2025 का जो ये 13वां एडिशन था वो किसने जीता था एंड किसको डिफीट करके जीता है। 26th क्वेश्चन. Who has been elected as the 15th Vice President of India? And the correct answer is C.P. Radhakrishnan. 27th question. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing? And the correct answer is Parag Jain. 28th question. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? And the correct answer is Indonesia. 29th question. who was honored with the Dada Saheb Palke Award 2023 in September 2025? And the correct answer is Mohanlal. 30th question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? And the correct answer is Ajay Seth. 31st question. Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts in 2025? And the correct answer is TCA Kalyani. 32nd question. Which country has officially become the 107th member of the International Solar Alliance ISA in August 2025? And the correct answer is Moldova. 33rd question. Where was the 9th edition of Global Technology Summit 2025 held? And the correct answer is New Delhi. 34th question. Ahmednagar railway station has been renamed as Ahilyanagar is located in which state? And the correct answer is Maharashtra. 35th question. What is India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2025? And the correct answer is 102nd. 36th question. Which state has become the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after independence? And the correct answer is Uttarakhand. 37th question. Guneri village has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of which state? And the correct answer is Gujarat. 38th question. Who has been appointed as the private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? And the correct answer is Nidhi Tiwari. 39th question. Which state or union territory hosted the 38th National Games 2025? And the correct answer is Uttarakhand. 40th question. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index CCPI 2025? And the correct answer is 10th. 41st question. Where has the first BIMSTEC Traditional Music Festival been held? And the correct answer is New Delhi. 42nd question. Urjit Patel has been appointed as the Executive Director at which institution? And the correct answer is International Monetary Fund. 43rd question. Which country has hosted the 51st G7 Summit in 2025? And the correct answer is Canada. 44th question. Which state government has declared a new wildlife sanctuary named Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Abhyaran? And the correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. 45th question. Who authored the book titled Indira Gandhi and the Years That Transformed India? And the correct answer is Srinath Raghavan. 46th question. Who assumed charge as the 35th Director General of NCC, National Cadet Corps? And the correct answer is Lieutenant General Virendra Vats. 47th question. Who won both the Men's and Women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025 titles by defeating England in the finals? And the correct answer is India. 48th question. Who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of RBI? And the correct answer is Sanjay Malhotra. 49th question. Who won the men's single title at the US Open Tennis Championship 2025? And the correct answer is Carlos Alcaraz. 50th question. India has won ICC Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating which country? And the correct answer is New Zealand. 51st question. Who has been appointed as the President-elect of the FICCI, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry for 2025-26? And the correct answer is Anant Goenka. 52nd question. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Sastra Seema Bal SSB? And the correct answer is Sanjay Singhal. 53rd question. Which city was declared as India's cleanest city for the 8th time in 2025? And the correct answer is Indore. 54th question. Yakteen village of which state was announced as India's first digital nomad village? And the correct answer is Sikkim. 55th question. Which team won the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category by defeating Nepal? And the correct answer is India. 56th question. Which Indian has been awarded the 2025 UNEP Young Champions of the Earth Award? And the correct answer is Jinali Modi. 57th question. India has been elected as a member of which UN body for 2026-28 term? And the correct answer is both option second and option third, that is UN Human Rights Council and Human Economic and Social Council. 58th question. Who has been recently appointed as the new head coach of Indian men's football team? And the correct answer is Khalid Zamil. 59th question. Which institution proposed the development of the world's smallest semiconductor chip in 2025? And the correct answer is IISc Bangalore. And the last 60th question. Which country topped the medal tally at the Asian Athletics Championships 2025? And the correct answer is China.